Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have our mailbag. We got a couple of things, actually 3 things in the mail past couple of days, and we want to share them with you, right?
Hi.
Of course, you guys know my granddaughter Paisley, and she's got her new, what are those glasses you got there?
Blue light glasses.
Blue light glasses, so when she watches her computer or her phone or iPad, they don't hurt your eyes, right? Okay. First thing we want to do is get to these. We got these from Tim and Kathy. Yep. Fireball Tim and his wife Kathy. Apparently they saw our show on baking. And we needed a mitt for the oven. So Kathy made us a pot holder.
Because you were just using Nana's.
I know I was using Nana's, but now we have our own, huh?
You were also using my mom.
And your mom's. But now we have our own, right? With Hot Wheels on them.
I pretty much have my own.
Yeah.
I don't know where they are.
This is
I have like a pink one. But I do have some. I only have one. I only have 2 oven mitts upstairs for play kitchen.
Yeah. Well, these are for real kitchen, right? There's a difference between play ones and real ones? Okay. So we have...
I can use my play one for my Easy Bake Muffin.
Your Easy Bake Muffin? Your Easy Bake Oven?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oven.
All right. So let's get back to this. This is a oven mitt that Kathy Lawrence made for us, and a pot holder. And you can also put a hot pan on that, right? Okay, cool. So thank you very much, Kathy. And don't forget that you can get your own Hot Wheels oven mitt and pot holder at fireballtim.com. They have an Etsy store. Just go to fireballtim.com or even find Fireball Tim on Facebook. I'm sure you guys are friends. And if not, hey, be his friend. He's a cool guy. He lives next door to Paris Hilton, believe it or not, in Malibu. So he's got some cool stories. So thank you very much, Kathy. I'm sure Tim wasn't out there sewing these up, but thanks for sending them to us very much. Thank you. We got these from our friend Miss Karen, right?
That's my daycare teacher.
Your daycare teacher, that's right. These are Hot Wheel Band-Aids.
And look down the back. They show the Band-Aids.
Oh, that's right. There's different Band-Aids on the back. And she sent us...
I definitely need new Band-Aids.
You don't need new Band-Aids. Why do you need new Band-Aids?
I need more.
You need more? Why? You getting cut all the time?
Nope.
Nope.
I ran out.
You ran out? Is that so you can bandage up Grampy? No?
I have your own.
Oh, I have my own. See? There you go. She found these at the Christmas tree store. I don't know what other stores, but I'm sure there's some pharmacies that have those. So if you guys looking for all the cool extra accessory stuff that we collect, there are Hot Wheel Band-Aids. They are actually 20 adhesive bandages from Smart Care. All right, so look for those. Next one up, we got this amazing lamp from Lamp in a Box in California, LA, and it has my logo up there on the top.
It does.
And it has room for 3 of your special vehicles. You can move these around well, I'm not going to do that right now, but you can move them to any different direction.
And let's turn the bottom car around.
That's right. You can turn the bottom car around. You can turn any of them around. They are able to make the lampshade with your photo, anything that you want on the lampshade. And luckily, I'm able to use the Hot Wheel logo. I'm licensed to do that. So they did that for me.
You can just do like any color.
You can do any color you want.
Yeah.
That's right. I think Bruce Pascal has one of these too. So, and I think he posted it. So I want to thank Lamp in a Box, and I will have their address below right there. And
you
guys
can also do my logo.
Yeah, your logo? What logo is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Your Paisley TV logo?
Yeah.
We'll see if we can get a Paisley TV one for your bedroom. How's that? So we want to thank Kathy and Tim Lawrence for the oven mitt and the pot holder, and Miss Karen from daycare for our Hot Wheel bandages, and
dates.
And what?
Band-Aid.
Well, you can't call it Band-Aids because that is a trademark, remember?
Oh.
So we have to call them bandages. All right? The word Band-Aid is a registered trademark for that company.
I just call them Band-Aid.
I know, everybody calls them Band-Aids, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And Lamp in a Box for sending everything to us this week. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Thanks for watching Paisley TV also on YouTube for your little ones. And until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, maybe we'll see you at Paisley TV, right?
Might.
Bye-bye.
Bye.